Today I'll be showing you how I create my press-on nails at home. I'm starting off using soft gel nail tips by Model 1s. And I'm going to go ahead and size them. You want to make sure that your nail tips fit sidewall to sidewall. And it's okay if it's a little bit bigger because they do shrink when you cure them. I went ahead and picked out all my sizes. And these tips are so cool. They're so long and they're stiletto. Then I'm going to be using my little nail stands. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this pink putty. And then I'm going to be putting the nail tips on there. I'm putting it in the center just to have like a good hold. And then here are the little stands. Let me show you. I did the other hand off camera. And then I'm going to go ahead and just cut some length. I want these to be almost like a coffin shape, but really it's just square. Then I'm going to go in and just lightly file just to make sure it's even. This part is so satisfying. And then I'm going to be using this E-file. It's so cute. I Barbified it. And I'm just going to go ahead and lightly buff. This will help the gel adhere better. And then it prevents chipping. If you don't have an E-file, just go ahead and use a buffer. And then you can just lightly go over this. Once I was done, I'm just wiping off any dust. And I'm just using a paper towel with pure acetone. I don't have any lint-free wipes right now. And then taking this white by Model 1s, I'm just going to go ahead and do a plain Jane white nail tips. Especially since this is my first video of the year. I've been enjoying just spending time with my family. And today I was like, okay, I have to film, I have to edit, and I have to post. Because, girl, I haven't since last year. It's insane. But yeah, let me know what your guys' goals for this year are. I'm actually working on a vision board, so I have yet to finish it. And this white was actually giving me a hard time. I don't know if I applied too much product. I was definitely trying to just get it as even as possible. So I go back and forth trying to take the product off. And then as you see, I'm trying to just even everything out. You definitely want your coats to be thin, especially for gel, because if not, they won't cure properly. And then that's kind of what promotes chipping, and you don't want that. But who else agrees that having white nail polish is acceptable all year round? Like, you could literally wear this any time of the season and the color would be classic, beautiful. So what better way to start 2026 with an all white press-on nails? Even though this color was giving me a hard time, you have to have patience, especially when painting press-ons. But I managed to get through it, and let me show you the first coat compared to the second coat. Then I went ahead and did a third coat, and I'm just applying these with putty to show you the final result. I'll be doing a durability test, and I'll be applying these with actual nail glue, so stay tuned for that. And let me know what you think down below. Here are the final results. I love these nails. I love the shape, and they're so cute. They are such a vibe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.